wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. No more nightmares when you lay there and you stay.
So I'm here again and I'm gonna show you how to set up a cuckoo clock. So this time it will be a beer house cuckoo clock, just here. Now let's begin. Before setting up with your cuckoo clock, please check the following items: the cuckoo clock, the free screw which is optional, the authenticity certificate from the Black Forest, the manual, 2 years warranty card, and the list of stations for repair. This is where the 3 24-hour weights, and this is where the pendulum. So first, we're going to remove this. Remove the cushion.
Warning. Please handle clock with care. Warning. Watch out for all the tiny windows.
When you are ready to mount your cuckoo clock, you should choose the ideal place in your home that you want to hang it. Your location will depend on the size of the clock as well as any movement that it features. Keep in mind that each clock can easily weigh up to 22 pounds. So finding a secure and solid supported wall or stud will be crucial. The weights must be hung freely. So, the minimum height recommendation is normally 5 to 6 feet off the floor. When I'm going to install this, the technique is you're going to pick right there and you see that hole, so it will be like that. You will pick at the back and you're gonna look for your hook. There, see? You can slide it down. And here you go. make your cuckoo clock automatically shut down, just place the lever in the middle. This will make your cuckoo clock shut down between 9 p.m. to 7:30 in the morning. When cleaning your cuckoo clock, just use a clean paintbrush.
Chalet styles that feature beer drinkers normally play the songs in Munich ein Hofbräuhaus, Entrink, Bruderleintrink. Maintenance of cuckoo clocks includes having your cuckoo clock cleaned and oiled. You can find a local clockmaker to handle your clock maintenance for you very inexpensively. Black Forest Cuckoo Clock is built to last for 30 years, and having it maintained regularly will ensure that you increase the life of your clock. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your Brauhaus cuckoo clock.